How would you like to find out if wealth, abundance, and prosperity is coming your way in 2020? Here are 11 signs to look out for. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. It's the holiday season, the end of the year. New Year's is right around the corner, and 2020 is going to be your year if you claim it. You need to claim it and say, this is my year. I'm going to give you 11 signs that 2020 is going to be your year for wealth and abundance. The sign number one, you've been dreaming about wealth lately. You've been going to bed at night, just like normal, but you have dreams of money or wealth or a new car or a new home. You're dreaming of prosperity and abundance flowing into your life. And these dreams are happening more and more often. It's a sign that a personal shift is about to take place in your life. You're going from where you're at to where you desire to be and beyond, because you believe that good things are coming your way in 2020. Well, high flyers, you may have been seeing a number of specific numbers as of late, such as 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're seeing that sequence of numbers, that's a powerful sign that you're growing. You're growing. Money's flowing. It's happening. You may not see it yet. You may say, Robert, I don't see any of that yet. But trust me, 2020 is your year. You may also be seeing the number 1111. And 1111 is a sign of a new beginning, a new awakening. It's a new level of consciousness. And that's phenomenal, because with this higher level of consciousness, you will have the ability to manifest more of what you deeply desire in 2020. One of my favorite numbers for abundance is 333, because it means that opposite energies are now coming together and forming a unified force designed to attract wealth and abundance and prosperity into your life. 777, are you seeing that number? Are you seeing it over and over and over again? That's good news. 2020 is your year. And talk about incredible luck. 888. If you're seeing that number on license plates or wherever you see it, that's a powerful sign that the universe says, you're lucky. I mean, sometimes it's better to be lucky than it is to be smart. So luck is coming your way if you are seeing the number 888. These number sequences are there. It's the universe's way of communicating with you. It's the universe's way of preparing you. It's saying, get prepared, up your game, take it to the next level, because the next year is your year for incredible wealth and success. High flyers, you don't have to be pregnant in order to dream about a baby. Dreaming about a baby or babies, healthy babies, has often been a sign, all the way back through antiquity, a sign of prosperity. It's a sign of growth. It's a sign of wonder. It's a sign of new energy. It's a sign of new life coming into your reality. And that means increased wealth, increased abundance, increased prosperity, and love. It's all yours. The whole Shazam, the whole, what do they call it? What did Wayne Dyer used to call it? The whole enchilada, the whole enchilada. Everything is yours. 2020 is your year. You need to claim it. Say, I claim it right now. Write it down below. I claim 2020 as my year. High flyers, we have a special invitation for you. It's 2020 manifestationblowout.com. And all you do is go there, you register, and on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and the day after, we are doing a live webinar for you to help you turn 2020 into an incredible year of prosperity, an incredible year of abundance and love and happiness and health and vitality. This is going to be your year, but why not come and join us? Get started off. We're going to attune you. We're going to attune you to 2020 energy. It's going to be incredible, and it's going to connect you to the next 10 years because this is the beginning of a new decade. So 2020, manifestationblowout.com. It's free. It's our gift from us to you. Come and join. Register right away. Okay, let's get on with the next one. Number four. Finding money all the time. I mean, are you finding, you go through your pocket, oh, there's money. Oh, there's money under the couch. There's money on the sidewalk. There's money everywhere I look. Now, here's what I want you to do. Listen to me very closely now. Anytime you find money, a penny, a dime, a dollar, $100, whatever, I want you to take that money and put it in a special box or a special jar. And the reason you're going to do that is that jar literally becomes, that's called found money. It's free money. You didn't work for it. You just found it. And it's attracting more found money. So the more found money you have in that jar, the more found money it will attract into your life. It's like a magnetic talisman. It works. I've been using it for years. Trust me. Put money in the jar that you find. And when the jar gets so full that you can't do anything with it, take it out, leave a few pieces left in there, a few coins or dollar bills or whatever you find at the bottom. Take the rest out, put it in your bank account, buy something with it, invest it, do whatever you want, okay? Go out and get yourself a new hairdo. I don't care, but leave a little bit in there to keep that energy flowing. So high flyers, sign number 5 is you're just feeling this increase of energy and passion. And I think here's the key word. It's passion. It's energy, high flyers, but it's urgency. You have this urgency to build a business. You have this urgency to advance your career. You have this urgency to attract more money into your life, wealth, and prosperity. And it's not like I get up in the morning and hope that something's going to happen. You're making things happen because you are taking action. And the more action you take with passion and urgency, and if you've already started this here in 2019, I'm telling you, 2020 is your year. Hey, number 6 is Déjà Vu. Hey, number 6 is Déjà Vu. Has that happened to you before? Has that happened to you before? Listen to me. When things like that start happening, it's like you are crossing in to a timeline. You are re-experiencing something that hasn't happened yet. In other words, it hasn't happened, but you are experiencing it and remembering it as if it has happened. This is a huge sign that good things are coming your way, that abundance is flowing to you, that wealth is coming into your life. So listen, if wealth is important to you and you're having these déjà vu experiences, that's a sign that you are being led in a particular direction by the universe and your higher self in the direction of wealth and money and prosperity. Big pile of money, big pile of money. Big, 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 bigger. Okay. New opportunities. Number 7, new opportunities. New opportunities. Everywhere you look, there are opportunities. I get so many opportunities every day coming to me. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for these opportunities. New opportunities. You see, not every opportunity is going to be a payoff for you. Not every opportunity is going to give you what you desire. But think about this. If you get 10 opportunities and one of them pays off big, bam, that's all it takes. Well, for my friends, number 8, for my friends who love to play the lotto, if you're coming closer, if you're winning small lottos, if you're winning small but consistently at scratchers, this is a sign that you've started a flow of winning, the habit of winning. I love the habit of winning. And that means that something big is ready to burst. Are you seeing a lot of ladders around town? Believe it or not, ladders are a sign upwards. If you're seeing ladders, that's huge. Okay, so along with those small wins at the lottery, you're seeing ladders everywhere you look. Something big is about to happen for you in 2020. Claim it. 2020 is my year to win big. Number 9, you have an action mindset. You absolutely believe. Nothing can stop your belief. You absolutely believe that 2020 is your year. It's your year for love. It's your year for abundance. It's your year for money. But mostly, it's your year for wealth. 2020 is your year because you are taking actions, one action after another. You're literally focused on how many positive, inspired actions can I take each and every day. And if you do that for 365 days, this is going to be the best year of your life. Now, one of the great manifestors, Bob Proctor, talks about making your annual income, whatever you earn a year, making it your new monthly income. If you are focused on making your monthly income equal to your annual income in the past, if that is a goal, if that is a dream, if that is something that you've been thinking about, oh, that's a huge sign that you are upping your game. You're raising yourself to your highest version, and wealth is flowing into your life because your mind is now attuned to wealth. You see, if your mind is not attuned to wealth, then how can you attract wealth? You just bump into it. You have to be in alignment with wealth. You have to be in alignment with money. And so having that as a reasonable goal sets you up to attract incredible amounts of wealth in 2020. Hey, listen, maybe by the end of the year, yes, not maybe, by the end of the year, your monthly income will be equal to your annual income from a few years back. How's that? Easy. You can do it. It's your year. Claim it. Write it down below. 2020 is my year. Good things are coming my way. And number 11 is that you have 2 or 3 mentors. I got to say it. Everybody that is successful in life has talked about how they had different mentors. When we had one of our clients win $1 million, the first thing I said is you need a legal mentor, and you need who is also a business mentor, an investment mentor. I'm not an investment mentor. That's not what I do. I help you get there. But once you get there, you need a different kind of mentor. Athletes, for example, will have mentors that work on their positive thinking and on their mindset and on their mentality. But they will have other coaches or mentors that work on the physical dynamics of their sport. So you need 2 or 3 good mentors in your life that you can turn to and find them, seek them out, write to them, and listen, whatever you need to invest is worth it when you find a good mentor. I'm so lucky to have had great mentors in my life, but I'm constantly looking for new mentors in different areas of my life that I've progressed into. So that's very, very important. If you have 2 or 3 mentors going into 2020, oh yeah, it's going to be your year. Wealth is going to flow into your life. I firmly believe that this is your year. I firmly believe that wealth, like nothing you have, look at the economy is growing like leaps and bounds. There's money all over the place. Money's too damn easy to make, and you deserve your share. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.